Dr. Mohammad Sadiq Ali Khan, Chairman, Department of Computer Science, University of Karachi, and also the chair of this conference, ICISCT. So this is a two-day international conference, Information Science and Communication Technology, and this is the third series of the conference. And previously we organized in 2019 and 20. So this is the continuation, and in this conference we emphasize about artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, cyber security, data mining, and all the emerging field today. And we invited 15 keynote speakers from different part of the world, from UK, Malaysia, and USA, Japan, South Africa, Lithuania, Malaysia, and other part of the world. And we have about 8 invited speakers from Pakistan here in this 2 days event. So this is one of the biggest series of the event that will be held in collaboration with DHS Sufa University, Sindh Higher Education Commission, Comstech, and ICCBS, and our valuable sponsor there. Thank you.